Got new fish. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Look at this. What did we get? Oh, look at that. There's some leopard frogs. Yeah. Wow. Gorgy berries. And the main attraction. Yes, I got them, guys. I got them.
Produced by Malik.
What is going on, world? Welcome back to Malik's Water Garden. Today's gonna be a really fun video. This is a video you guys have actually probably waited for about 2 weeks now. I got the new fish. So if you haven't watched the video about where I asked you guys to help me choose which type of fish to pick next, highly recommend checking that out because that video gives you a prelude to this video. So I'll put the link to it up here as well as at the end of this video so you guys can check that video out. Also, comment below right now and say guess which fish I got, because throughout this video I will be revealing which species I ended up getting. Also, if you haven't checked out yesterday's video, it was about the breeding triggers for your Hypancestor zebra. It's very informative. It's a wealth of knowledge. It's a research done by different people all combined together, and I tried to present it in a concise manner for you guys so it makes sense, and we can apply these techniques to actually in practicality for spawning our zebra plecos as well as many other Hypancestors and Pecoltia species, as well as all types of plecos in general. So highly recommend checking that out. I'll put a link to it up here as well. So in today's video we'll be looking at all the new fish that I got. I got 2 separate species, so I'll be unboxing the fish. So I'll put that, you'll see that throughout the video, and I'll put some B-roll footage at the end. Now the fish are a little stressed. I've had them since Tuesday. They actually got delivered on Tuesday, which was today is Sunday now. So last week Tuesday, and so they've been in my facility for 5 days, and all the fish are doing great. And I'm expecting one of my groups actually to start spawning anytime soon. There's actually some trappings in the quarantine tank, so I'll try to get some B-roll footage of that. So watch till the end. I'll try to get you guys some good footage of these particular fish. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing of this really cool fish. Whoa. Look what we have. Our little babies. Okay. I'm putting them in the tank. I just want to get a little bit of video before. Wow. I am very happy right now. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. You guys are all awesome. If you haven't subscribed, this is a great moment to subscribe because we will be looking at these fish in complete detail in the coming days, and it's a spawning season for all of my other Plecos, in my tanks at least. As far as in my experience, this is the time my fish like to spawn. So like September, October, November, December, going on to winter, coming off of summer, I get a lot of spawns, and also right before summer. So like right now, my fish room is full of fry, so we'll be looking at care and maintenance of all the different species I have, all the different hypancestors, and also how to breed these different types of hypancestor species. And also very important, because we have a lot of fry, we will be showing you how to raise these fry. A lot of the conversations I've been having with a lot of my close associates, and even with Dr. Thomas yesterday, we were talking, most of that conversation was about fry raising and growing fry. I've been having a lot of success with keeping fry alive now, and also growing them out, and there's a lot of different techniques that I'm using that, I mean, I think it's smart. A lot of people don't know about it, so I'm going to be revealing these things to you guys because I believe that it is important, and this is going to increase your fry survival rate. So that's the bottom line, and we're going to be looking at those in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. The channel's growing really fast, and that's all thanks to you guys. So thank you so much. I love you all. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you all.